The person in charge of my parents' estate is doing a terrible job, and as a result, the estate is losing value. How do I get this person removed from being in charge of the estate? Hello again, this is certified probate real estate specialist Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors here in Southern California. Thanks for watching. If you believe that the administrator or the executor of the estate is causing more problems than they're solving, and you would like to know how to have them removed, keep watching this video because that's what we're talking about today. And if you're new here and you're interested in this type of content, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. When an executor or administrator fails to exercise their duties and responsibilities as a personal representative of an estate, the beneficiaries of that estate may request that the court remove that individual as the personal representative of that estate. One of the interested parties in the estate would need to file a petition to remove the executor or the administrator as the personal representative. This petition is a legal motion to have that person removed. Who may file a petition to have the administrator or the executor removed? Any person with interest in the estate, such as beneficiaries and creditors, may file a petition with the court to have the current personal representative removed. At that same time, you can file a petition to have a successor personal representative put in place. After you file the removal petition, the court will require the current personal representative to appear at a court hearing and to show cause as to why he or she should not be removed as the personal representative. And if that person cannot show cause, the court is likely to remove them as personal representative. What are the main reasons a court will likely remove someone as a personal representative? If a personal representative has embezzled, mismanaged, or defrauded the estate, all of those are grounds for removal. If the court deems that it is necessary to protect the estate and or interested parties of the estate, that current personal representative would be removed. Question of the day: have you ever petitioned the court to have someone removed as the personal representative? What happened? Did the court grant the petition? If so, why? If not, why not? Let me know in the comments below. The executor, administrator, personal representative is a fiduciary in a probate estate. Their job is to do the absolute best job for the estate possible, to maintain and to preserve all funds, value, etc. If you've been named as a personal representative in a will and you choose not to serve, you may renounce that position. It's important to do that prior to accepting it. If you've gotten value from this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'm Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors. If you have questions for me, don't hesitate to contact me via email and or phone. That information is in the description. This video has been for information purposes only. It is not legal advice. I am not an attorney. If you need an attorney, please contact one. If you need a probate attorney or an estate planning attorney, feel free to contact me for a referral.